Hi YouTubers. Um, I had a question of someone who asked me how I mounted the body to the MST CFX chassis. Um, yeah, because I'm quite new to this whole model RC building, only 3 months into it, and kind of just my second project. Yeah, I tried to explain it in the best possible way how I've done it, and it might not be the right way, but still open to suggestions, and yeah, let's go for it. Well, basically what happened is that I bought the Austar body, and I bought a whole complete set from RC Mart for the chassis, and that was the MST chassis. And what I've done, like if I turn the car around, is I mounted a little aluminium L-bar at the front and at the back, and basically fixed that onto the bodywork. So these holes are already in place, and what you do is just use a little M3 bolt and nut, and that would keep it in place. And the same as at front. But also be aware that you have to make the chassis to the maximum extension, so you have to kind of put the spaces in between the links, and also at the rear suspension you have to swing them around, so therefore the wheels, you get the right wheelbase. The other thing is that what you will find as a slight complication is that the battery, if you have certain batteries, they won't fit in the battery tray that comes with the MST chassis, because you won't find there's enough room to put it underneath, or you might be able to find a battery that would go in between. The other thing what I did is at the front, and I'm not sure if I can show it on the camera. Yes, is that I used the original bumper, and I fitted the aftermarket bumper over it, and I just basically put a couple of bolts through it. And there was another little thing that I had to do, that was to get a bit of clearance for the motor, or I think it's the clutch or gearbox. I had to kind of grind a little bit of the interior out to make it fit. So that's another little thing. I'm also put in the switch for the winch, so that's working. And yeah, that's pretty much about it, I think. I thought it was quite important to give that kind of realistic view, is to have the wheels lining up with the bodywork. A lot of brands that are on the market, the wheels are, in my opinion, too big, and the body standing too high above the wheels. They look almost like a monster truck, instead of trying to look like the original D90 or D110. Yeah, basically what I've done, I just painted it with a satin gloss paint. It's a primer. And the other thing is that I kind of misted the whole, or dusted, I don't know what the right term is for that, dusted the whole truck with, to give it a kind of dust kind of look and feel to it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this movie, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.